Hello to all my dear children. How are you doing today? I hope you're all happy and healthy and safe. So I'm going to teach you something quite different today, and I think you should look at what it is. Now, how will you find good paper? Are you sad? Are you worried? Don't be, because you can find any amount of paper from around the house. You don't have to worry about not being able to do beautiful creations, origami creations. Don't worry about it at all. Like I said, you can use any piece of paper around the house that you will find to make an origami creation. So just to get an idea about how any kind of paper can be used to make origami creations. Now see, this is something that I have drawn. This is a sailing vessel. So it's a normal paper that I have used, a normal origami paper. But I can also use some other paper like this, where I have drawn different patterns on them. See? It's not that they are real patterned, real wrapping paper, no, right? It's all drawn by hand. So I have made this beautiful paper using my own hands. You don't necessarily have to buy or go to the shops to get any new paper. So whether you like it in blue or black or green or yellow, you use whatever colors you like and draw lines, draw circles, stars, spots, anything you like. And then you have your own origami paper. Now, if you want, you can use 2 colors or more than that, or any color. So one side will be without a color or without a pattern, and the other side will be with a color or with a pattern. So A4 paper and colored paper, we have nothing. Then you can always take a newspaper and color it using pastel. You can do anything like that. You don't necessarily have to have origami paper. Right? So don't worry about it thinking that auntie can always say that we have to use origami paper, but we don't have it. You don't have to think like that. So you can take any piece of paper lying around the house as long as it's square in shape. See how easy it is to find enough paper. So we are going to make this now, and you're going to realize that we don't necessarily need origami paper. Anything that we are discarding, anything that we don't need, anything that is going into the waste paper basket, you can use. Color it, and you can draw different patterns on it. So you can use them like that. Now this is the way that you can also join with us in the future for whatever future videos. You can also use colored or paper like this that you have created patterns on. Now shall we see how to make a sailing vessel? Look at this. It's easy, quite easy. So just look and follow the instructions. Now we are making the sail, and I'm using this paper with spots on it. Folding it in half to make it a triangular shape. Now see, that's your sail. Quite easy. And now the bottom part of the boat or the vessel. Again, getting the pattern outside, fold it in half, open it up, bring the bottom corner to the middle. Then again, bring the bottom edge again to the middle line, and then press it down. You have to be careful. If you have used pastel to color, the pastel might get on all of your clothes and your fingers and the paper. So be careful with that. Apart from that, it should be fine. Now do the same thing on the other side, folding it twice like that. Then fold it completely like this into 2 halves, and our sailing vessel is complete. See how nice it looks. I think my the new sailing vessel, which has more patterns on it, looks nicer than the other earlier one. Now we have to just paste it in. So use some glue. And now we can paste the inside also like this, or not, and then paste it like this. Make sure that the sail is slightly covered to make it look more authentic. See how beautiful it looks. I don't need any other type of paper. My own origami paper is very nice because that's how I have made it today, this creation today. So why don't you also try it? You will see that they look nicer than whenever you do or use other types of paper. So get ready for videos like this in the future as well. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to tell your friends about us. Then we will make all these videos in the future. See you soon.